Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius Placements. This is your reading about sa person on your mind. Okay? So, ngayong May. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, we do have here protection from evil eye. So, merong ring, bracelets, necklace. Okay? And meron din tayo about sa love. So, pwedeng sa singles and may mga conflict sa relasyon. Pwede sa'yo to. And sa mga naghahanap din naman ng, ang tawag dyan, cord cut. So, available ang cord cutting natin. And yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so si granter is yung taga-grant ng mga binamanifest mo. Okay, and tagapagbigay ng mga surprises. Yes! Okay. So, kung may tanong, message na lang po. Okay? So, let's see. The person on your mind, Aqua, who is this? The person on Aquarius mind, who are they? Who are they? Who is this person you're thinking of? Let's see. Okay, the Knight of Cups in reverse. Somebody who is so hot and cold. Okay, hot and cold si person. The Emperor. Hindi mo malaman ang totoo nitong emosyon pagdating sa'yo. They're guarded. Could be an Aries. Water sign is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of them, sabihin natin, they're too busy. Yeah, they're busy. Pwedeng iba sa kanila is may anak na. Or pwedeng boss. Okay? Pwedeng may narinig akong manager, no? And, ang tawag dyan, pwedeng business owner. Okay, could be a businessman, businesswoman. They're in control. Some of them, they know how to control their feelings for you. So, anong meron? Anong situation nyo? Aqua, let's see. The Two of Cups. Okay. The Ace of Swords. Some of you, nagkakaintindihan kayo kahit ganito siya. Oo, the High Priestess. Nagkakaintindihan kayo. Like sabihin nating emotionally. Emotionally, nandun yung strong connection ninyo. Even though this person, sabihin natin hindi sila totally 24/7, no, na nandyan na pwedeng makipagkita sa'yo anytime you want. Emotionally, nandito yung strong connection. Okay? So, maybe nakakita ka sa kanya ng strong connection. Some of you. Ang nakikita ko pa rito, pwedeng sinabi sa inyo, iba sa inyo, sinabihan ka na pwedeng ito ay soulmate mo. Kaya iniintindi mo. Okay? Yeah, open. So, hindi naman yun para sa lahat. Pero ang nakukuha ko dito, ang malakas is, andun yung tiwala. Andun yung tiwala. Kahit itong taong ito is, hindi 100% palaging nandyan for you because andito yung pag-intindi. Okay? Sa situation, nandyan yung pag-intindi. Emotionally, mentally, financially, physically, nandito yung lahat. Pag-intindi ang nakukuha ko dito. Okay? What is your emotion for you? Emotion ni person mo sa'yo, Aqua. King of Wands, yeah. That's somebody who knows how to manage. Okay, the King of Wands. The Ace of Wands in reversed. Hindi nga lang siya talaga totally 100% na physically pwede mong makasama. The Hierophant is here. The Three of Pentacles. Ang galing. Ang galing. This is a mature connection, I think. A mature connection. Yeah, the Three of Cups, Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Andun yung sabihin nating bukas ang oportunidad para sa inyong dalawa na mag-grow. Even though, sabihin nating, yes, andito kasi yung parang may sarili siyang mundo, may sarili kang mundo, nagkakilala kayo na parang meron kang ginagawa na ganito, and siya rin may ginagawa. So, it's like, nagpapatuloy. Okay? Hindi kayo nakukulong lang sa relasyon. Parang ganon. Hindi nyo binibigyan ng limit yung isa't isa. This is nice. The Knight of Cups universe, sabihin natin emotionally, hindi nga, parang nagfa-fluctuate, no? Sabihin natin minsan absent. Pero nandun yung pag-intindi. Kasi pwedeng may mga kanya-kanyang mga, sabihin natin katanggap-tanggap naman na dahilan kung bakit. Yes. It's nice. Okay? So, what is their next action? Next action. Even though some of you, magkalayo. Yeah, there's this distance. Andun pa rin yung tiwala sa isa't isa. Hindi ko, kasi alam nyo, minsan, yung kapag ginagawa nating, yung sarili natin, na parang nakakulong tayo sa isang sitwasyon, nakakulong tayo sa isang relasyon, yung focus natin is nandun lang sa tao, mag-overthink tayo, mag-overthink. Madalas, nangyayari yun sa mga taong wala masyadong ginagawa sa buhay. Real talk. Real talk. Or sabihin natin, yes, may ginagawa naman pero mas inuuna or inaatupag tong connection. Etong taong to, hindi siya ganon. Yeah. Practical kung practical. Yes. Next action. The Chariot. Yeah. And maraming plano to. Yeah, Judgment. Maraming plano to. Marami siyang iniisip pagdating dito sa connection. Okay? They are mature. They are mature. So, kung ikaw, ang nakikita ko dito, kung yung person mo is emotionally kasi minamanage nila kahit minsan sumasablay na or may sumasablay na pero iniintindi pa rin. Pinipili at pinipili pa rin kasi may mga dahilan rin naman. So it's like a mature connection. Kailan nangyari to? Sa reading ng mga aqua. Kailan? Walay. Lagi na lang. Lagi na lang Aquarius saga. Andun yung energy ng patahimikan tayo. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Bahala rin ako sa buhay ko. Kung ayaw mo makipag-usap, hindi rin ako makikipag-usap. Ganun lagi ngayon iba. Very good naman. Kung sino man to. Let's see. Outcome / advice. The Nine of Wands. This is trust. Building trust, I think. So, next action kanina, sabi ko nga, andito yung focus ng taong ito is magkaroon or pagkakaroon ng mga opportunities sa inyo. Okay? That is why. Marami siyang iniisip niya yung future mo, iniisip niya yung future niya, future ninyong dalawa, kung ano mga pwede pang mangyari, mga ganyan. Hindi pagkakaroon ng limit. Okay, sabihin natin nandun yung freedom mo na gawin, yung gusto. Okay, sabihin natin dapat nandoon din yung boundaries. No? This person, sabihin natin marunong siyang rumispeto ng time mo. Parang ganon. Diba? The Four of Swords in reverse. Hindi ka nito hahayaan na parang hanggang dyan ka lang. Hindi. Kung ikaw meron kang gustong sabihin, sabihin mo. Kung meron kang opinion, makikinig ako. Parang ganun yung energy. Yung pwedeng maging outcome sa inyo. Okay, there's this trust. May marunong mag-value, may marunong magbigay ng worth. Okay? Okay. So, sa tingin ko, some of you, mayroon ditong dumanas ng trauma. May dumanas dito ng hindi tama, hindi maganda sa past. That is why. Parang iniaayos na. Or sabihin nating natuto na sa mga failures. No, na nangyari before. This is nice. Matured. Okay? So, pwede magsabi, open, yan, ang nakikita ko. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Malinaw sa taong to. Okay, na pareho kayong nagkakaintindihan. Kung sino ka man na nabasahan ko ng ganito at sa tingin mo ikaw yon, congrats. May magandang patutunguhan yung relasyon nyo. Okay, so, next. Let's see ano pang meron. Excuse me. Let's see the situation. Ano bang meron? Sitwasyon ng mga aqua when it comes to love. The Two of Swords. Oh no. Situation, the Two of Swords. Someone avoiding or acting avoidant. The Eight of Swords. So, ito na. Ito na ang ating, diba? Kinasanayan na reading ng Aquarius. This is waiting game. This is totally silence. Silence. Yeah. Somebody's overthinking kasi somebody is avoiding or acting avoidant. Ano kaya ang ginagawa niya? Pwede namang mag-chat, pwede namang magtanong, pero there's this something na pwedeng nagbibigay ng, oops, wag mong gawin. Sino to? Aqua. Sino to? Two of Swords, Eight of Swords, could be Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is what? What? Energy of endings. So, some of you, nasa situation kayo na pwedeng may nangyaring ending. Or sabihin natin, wala naman pong nakipag-break, pero para lang siyang biglang pull away. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, it's like ghosting. No? Silence. Tingnan natin. Meron ditong naghahanap or naghahanap ng sagot. Bakit siya lumayo? Bakit siya naging tahimik? Whatsoever. Diba? Sino ba to? The Moon. Ay, talaga namang napaka-silent niya ngayon. Yes. The Moon could be Pisces. What's with that Moon? The Justice in reverse. Oh my. Death. See? Endings. Justice in reverse. Some of you, this is talking about infidelity or imbalance. Ito yung taong nagtago ng katotohanan sa'yo. Some of you, may energy rin dito ng Seven of Swords. Okay? Iba sa inyo, ang sitwasyon ninyo ay tago. Secret affair. Sino nandun? Sino nandun? So, comment down below, SA. O, diba? Secret affair. O, comment down below. O, hindi na nila alam yun kung ano. Okay. So, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Somebody is looking for justice. Somebody is looking for answers. Clarity. The balance. What's their emotion for you, Aqua? The Three of Pentacles, Universe. Oo, walang patutunguhan. Hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan ngayon. Okay, yan. Three of Pentacles, Universe could be some of you. Pwedeng talagang secret affair to, or talagang may third party involved. Pwedeng nangyayari ito sa workplace. Could be a workplace scenario. Sa workplace, nagkaroon ng affair. Yeah, the Four of Wands. This is secret affair. Okay. Yung inyong relasyon ay itinatanggi, or sabihin natin hindi may pagmalaki. Kasi hindi pwede. Yeah. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is somebody na pwedeng nakikipaglaro or talagang player or playette yung energy. Yeah. They want connection with you, they want relationship, pero hindi pwede, hindi sumasang-ayon ang sitwasyon. Okay? Hindi ubra. So, tingnan natin what's your next action towards you, Aqua. Ten of Swords, Universe. O, diba? Lumabas ang Ten of Swords. Katapat nito ng ating Two of Swords and Eight of Swords. So, equals Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords, Universe, and the Eight of Cups. Hindi maalis ang connection. Alam nyo, iba sa inyo, kaya kayo iniwan ng walang dahilan, walang paramdam, or bigla na lang na walang parang bula. Kasi babalik to eh. Yes. Para lang kayo, okay, sige, iwan ko muna to. Hindi na muna ako magpapaliwanag, hindi muna ako gagawa ng kung ano man. Kasi babalik naman ako eh. Hindi ko na kailangan ng mahabang explanation dito pag bumalik ako. Sabihin ko lang ganito, ganyan. Nasira cellphone ko. Walang signal doon. Parang mga ganong bagay ba? Okay? Or talagang parang, kung alam niyo yung sitwasyon nyo na, yeah, may third party, sabihin natin yes, yun yung dahilan. Hindi ko na para ipaliwanag pa. Okay, sige, parang matik na sa'yo, na kapag nawala to is pwedeng kasama niya kung sino. Okay? Hindi siya mawawala. Babalik at babalik. Outcome/advice for you. The Seven of Swords. I told you, may energy ng Seven of Swords dito. This is lies. This is secrets. Okay? So, outcome nyo is tago pa rin. Tago pa rin. Wala pa ring desisyon dito. Wala pa ring answer. Wala pa ring clarity. Kung ano man. Justice in reverse pa rin. Yeah, this is totally 100% the Kabetchiwa. So, wala pa rin pong pagpili. So, kung sino man ang Kabetchiwa dito, Kabetchiwa ka pa rin. Okay. So, yeah, the Hierophant Universe, wala siyang mai-offer sa'yo na commitments. Okay. Andun ka pa rin, like the side dish. You're not the main dish. Some of you. Ilagay nyo yung sarili nyo sa i-fit nyo yung sarili nyo sa kung ano man ang inyong role. Kung wala kayo doon, then this is not your read. Okay? So, yeah, magpapatuloy pa rin po na tago itong connection. Okay? Sabihin man natin na pwedeng meron kang hinihingi, meron kang iniintay, wala pa rin. Clarity, wala pa rin. Peace of mind, wala pa rin po. Okay? Yes. I'm so sorry sa mga ganitong reading. Nabasa lang natin. Okay, so let's see. All signs are through Pisces. Aries. Okay, third party involved. Some of you, pwedeng meron dito ma-friend zone. Taurus, they want to walk away. Gemini, they like you. Cancer, they want your attention. Leo, there could be secrets, lies, third party involved. Virgo, they're held back, holding back, some of them. You're in their head, I think. Libra, oh, they need you. Yeah. Feeling drawn, like kailangan, parang ganon. Scorpio, they want your attention. Yeah, they're interested. Okay, some of them they're watching you. Their focusing is on you. Their focus is on you. Yeah, they like you. Okay, Sagittarius. Some of them, they have family na involved. Okay. Focusing on their career, on their finance. Capricorn, they want connection, they want strong bond. Okay. Aquarius, time waster. Okay, time waster. Pisces, they want a new beginning with you. They want a connection with you. Yeah, they like you. They really like you. Some of them, tagong-tago, like crush ka. Okay? So, may ganun. So, again, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.